What is Tool Lock? It's a new exclusive technology that secures your tools and keeps them in place until you want to use them. This new exclusive all-natural gel technology secures your tools and keeps them in place until you need them. Tool Lock keeps your tools in place so you stay organized. It makes finding your gear fast and keeps your gear looking neat. There's no smelly, sticky residue, just an all-natural, revolutionary gel system that's made in America. Tool Lock. Get locked in. It'll change the way you organize your tools.